Dear students, in this video, we are going to study about estimating the financial needs of a business. So, how an entrepreneur is going to estimate his financial needs? Like for every kind of business, there are different kind of financial needs. So, estimating the financial needs is very important job. So, the first thing is the type of business. What kind of business you are doing, that will estimate the financial need. Suppose the amount of money you will need for your business depend on large extent on type of the business. If you are doing any kind of a business like online business or any kind of business where it requires more and more kind of space, so there you need to estimate the higher amount of finance requirement. But suppose if you are doing only the business of some providing some services, or where you're doing in an online platform only, so you don't have to spend money on the area or the land, etc. So basically it says that the type of a business what you do, it will directly or indirectly will help you to estimate your financial plan or financial needs. Okay, the type of a business. Next is the research. There is need to make an inquiry about competitors in the market, the search for financial statement of prominent brands in the industry, so that you have an idea of how they started. Their cost may not exactly be similar, okay, but you can start in the same way. Like how do we estimate? We have some set of a plan. We are going to start this. Now, how do we estimate our financial need? Is to do a research, right? When you do a research of their financial needs, your competitors financial needs, when you study their cash flow, when you study their fund flow, when you study their balance sheet, then ultimately you can have an idea that in your business also you need to require the same amount of money when you start a business. So research is the second important step for estimating your financial needs. Next, after research is determine your expenses. Okay, when you have educated yourself on what entails in the market, it's time to determine what you will be spending on. Starting a business comes with a lot of expenses. Some of these expenses are on the time cost and others may be recurring expenses. Example, one time cost include like registration, licensing your business, etc. The cost of equipment is there, office supplies are there, vehicle is there, office production space, etc. So now what kind of business expenses you will be doing? Either you will be doing the expenses on buying a land, machines, furniture, or your expenses like registration, licensing, etc. So here, all these expenditures, whatever you are doing, this will also determine your financial needs. Suppose instead of buying a land, you don't buy a land, you have rented a land. You have taken a land on lease basis. So in both the business, the financial need is different. In one businessman is buying his own land by paying some 60 lakhs or 70 lakhs. In other business, instead of buying it, he has taken on lease basis, right? Or he has taken on rent, or like 10,000 rupees rent. Now in both the places, there is a different set of financial need. So determining your expenses, so your expenses will determine your financial need. Okay, you should be very clear about your expenses. On the other hand, recurring expenses will include maintenance fees, etc., salary for the worker, lease payment, marketing cost, and other kind of indirect expenses. So these all expenses, whether they are recurring and non-recurring, they will determine your financial needs. Then calculate your financial resources. To determine your financial need, we need to calculate our own financial resources. When you have decided your expenses, then you can begin to calculate how much would need to start your business, how much we require to start our business. You use your research about the industry to determine the revenue to generate, and also ensure you work with the realistic number, taking into consideration your own expertise. Compare your finding with how much you have and how much you need, right? Financial resources in the sense, first of all, you calculated that what business you want to start, that you calculated. Then secondly, you calculated that how much money you required by doing a lot of research. Thirdly, you need to know that how much money you are having, right, to start this kind of business, what kind of funds you are having and how much money you are having, right? That is the fourth step to estimate and to know the financial needs. So this was about the first topic for the discussion.